I am the Director of Project Planning. My group manages all the project plans for our portfolio projects within Planisware.
I am the Senior Capability Manager at BMS, which means that we are in charge of managing the Planisware implementation, as well as a lot of the other systems that are tied to Planisware.
We had recently purchased another pretty large company, and it became very evident as we were looking at data that we needed a better way to manage it. So the Project Planning Center of Excellence was put together in response to that. So the way that leadership helps support our initiatives is to really look at what is the data that they're looking for.
They provide the feedback necessary to say, this data is not quite right, and also why.
The data, a lot of it comes from Planisware. We need to make sure that the data is accurate in the system, and it needs to be consistent.
That consistency is really going to be key. With Planisware, one of the big impacts that we've had is visibility of our data quality. So visibility really is the cornerstone of any data quality cleanup effort, because if nobody sees the issues, nobody knows what to fix. Data quality issues are a fact of life. Without knowing what questions we're trying to answer, we could just keep fixing issues after issues without actually having an impact on business.
So we used some functionality within Planisware that we were able to highlight what we knew would be issues based on how the data is set up in the system. From there, we used some of the tool within Planisware to highlight those and say, okay, these are the ones that we know are the problem. These are the ones that fit all of our criteria. So by doing that, we ran it every 2 weeks for the latter half of last year, and we were able to go from 7,000 issues down to under 3,000.
BMS will be sort of coming out soon with a brand new sort of like dashboard interface for all of leadership to sort of make portfolios decisions based on the data that's in Planisware. It means that we can make not only the effective decisions more accurately, but make them quicker.